Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can create a group on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just be in Facebook and in groups, and when you're going to be here, you just want to simply click create. It'll be going to be third button in the menu here. Name your group. Let's go with I don't know, YouTube. Privacy, you can change the privacy from public to private. Let's go with the private. And I can hide the group, I can make it visible, or I can make it hidden. So the only one who can invite people is our members that I'm going to invite, or like myself, right? Create a group. Oh, let's go. So now I need to invite members. I'll invite them later. Done. And voila, here we have it. So what you can do simply is to write something here. 1, 2, 3. Then you can simply add an event here if you want to and create an event. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So you can invite people here, change the picture here, upload photo. Done. Save. And this is how you can simply create a group on Facebook. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.